Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Zendri's Yard Style Cooking. Today what I'll be preparing, I'll be doing some spicy chicken sandwich as well as some french fries, some coleslaw, and as well as a blended fruit punch. Alright, so here I have, this is already washed with lime and vinegar. I have about 6 chicken breasts. Okay, I'm going to use the chicken breast for my spicy sandwich. Okay, so the season my meat, I have some chicken season, ginger, garlic, and pimento season, some complete season, you know, Maggi all-purpose season, Maggi chicken season as well, and some black pepper, salt, red pepper, cayenne red pepper, as well as some crushed pepper flakes. Alright, and I'll be using about a teaspoon of my green blend. Alright, so this is what I like to do before I season my chicken breast based on the size. So I get a clean bag and I'm going to pound the chicken breast just a little bit to get it a little bit flat. Okay, so you can use a rolling pin, you can use the correct utensil for this, but I'm going to use my rolling pin or anything you have in your kitchen. Okay, so I'm just going to pound it a little bit. Alright, so I've already went ahead and shred up some cabbage, some white cabbage. As well, mayonnaise, ketchup, and some sweet relish. Alright, so it's simple. So the bun, I've already toasted the buns, so I'm just going to go ahead and start by doing that. This is the fun part of it. Adding Then I'm going to now pour my drink, my blended fruit punch. Now there